Dear Terry of the future, if you still like this, this is how you did it. 3 bags of mini cucumbers that come with 6 in it. Then a bag of 3 peppers and 2 extra peppers and 2 red onions. You already put some into the refrigerator using the old, using the previous vinegar stuff that you made. And this is how you're making the rest of them, because you just reuse the other. I put maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic into each of these. And I put a tablespoon of, a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. So if you like this, do this recipe again. Not quite a tablespoon. Some are closer to a tablespoon, some are a little less than a tablespoon. But you're trying to avoid using a pot and making a bigger mess than you're going to make already. So you did that with the balsamic vinegar. Then you had red wine vinegar, and you're going to use 1 tablespoon again of red wine vinegar. You probably have, with your vegetables, I think I have 15 mason jars worth. So if that was too much, buy 2 bags. So if this goes bad and you're watching the video again for your own recipe, Terry, that's what you might have to just buy 2 bags of cucumbers. And don't forget to add red wine vinegar to your shopping list, Terry. Okay, so a tablespoon of that. Wait, I gotta find don't forget to put the little jobber back on the tip of it so you don't spill it. Then you're gonna do about, you got a 1/4 cup, and yours has the 1/8 cup. So we're going to do an 1/8 cup of apple cider vinegar. And you're going to chuckle about the man who you saw at Schnucks, who thought you were vegan because you were shopping in the aisle where all the Beyond food is, but you were only there for the Applegate chicken sausage. And he asked how long you've been vegan. Don't ever forget that story, because that was a funny little story. And you need to go in and order some more apple cider vinegar. Or not order, but add it to your shopping list. Then you're going to do some white wine vinegar. I'm going to do a tablespoon of that one. and your eyes will burn from the vinegar, especially after you cut up all them onions. It's nothing that you didn't experience this time. So don't freak out about it. Okay. Put that. I don't know if that one had a little jobber or not. They're so clear you can't hardly see them. Okay, and then we're going to do just plain old white vinegar. We're going to do a 1/4 cup in each one. 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup. You need to buy some more white vinegar. There you go. Now, then you're going to go on and fill them the rest of the way with, oh wait, let me wash my hands. Now we're going to add, I forgot, the salt. This is your kosher salt that you bought in the was just the big blue thing. So you're going to put one of these worth, because kosher salt doesn't have a strong salty flavor. So you're going to put one of those in each jar. Might be too much, maybe do a little less than a full one. If you thought it was too much or too little, add less than what I'm telling you to add in the future. Now, by George. Now, fill them the rest of the way to the top with water. Or, you know, to cover the vegetables, I should say, that much. Now I'm going to put a lid on and shake it up just so I can see what I think. And whoever you bought these rings from, don't buy them again. They're pretty crummy. But we're going to shake this one up and we're going to see what we think of this. And of course, you're probably in the same pajamas that you're in right now. Take a little piece out and see what we think. Yeah, you're going to like it, Terry. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're gonna like it. So I think it's just enough salt, just enough vinegar. And you're gonna like it, Terry, so make this more often.